Are you ever looking for random data sets to audit or to share for case studies and things like that, but don't really have a way to randomly select things based on how they're formatted in Excel or Google Sheets? This combination of formulas is exactly what I use to decide the order in which I would share functions and formulas for this Data Analyst Toolkit series. So let me share it with you because it's super easy. What you're going to do first is you're going to have your data set. So I have leads, business name, lead stage 1, all of that. I want to audit these things, so I need to first assign them a random number. This function is going to be RANDBETWEEN. So I'm going to type RANDBETWEEN, and then I know that I have 30 things in here, so I'm going to type 1, 30. Easy peasy. Autofill that. And then what I have to do is I actually have to copy and paste as values. So you can either Control-Shift-V, Command-Shift-V, or you can right-click and hit Paste Values Only. So now this formula is no longer there. To get the random order now, because you can see some of these are duplicative, and we need truly random. So now I'm going to include RANK.EQ and COUNTIF and make a fancy function for us. So we're going to do equals rank.EQ, and we're going to select D, comma, and then we're going to choose a locked range, which is going to be D2 through D31. We're going to lock it with these dollar signs so that the range never moves as we pull our formula around. Close out RANK.EQ, and we're going to add a COUNTIF. This is a special type of COUNTIF that picks up the occurrence of a cell. So now we're going to take, which I have a separate video on, we're going to take our range, which is actually going to be a locked D2 as our starting point, to a D2, a locked D2. This is going to move as we pull our formula down. That's why I'm not locking the 2, comma, D2. So where this occurs in the list, I'm going to close that out, and then I'm going to subtract 1. And that's going to give me my random order. I can autofill it. You'll see that the range in the D's here moves. Then I can take this, throw a filter on it, and find my top 10 randomly selected people to audit. Easy.